NFTs are really a budding area of interest for both public and private sectors. We've gone away from the days where NFTs were just digital pictures of cats and dogs and rocks and all these sorts of things to something much, much more. Utility has really evolved. And in fact, California is taking it a step further. Now, what I'm talking about is that the state of California is actually going to be issuing vehicle titles as NFTs. Now, this venture comes from a collaboration between the DMV, Tezos, and crypto software development company Oxhead Alpha. Now, this is all being done on the Tezos network. It still is in private testnet, but this is something that could really be groundbreaking. And it does show that there is actually utility for NFTs. Now, they're doing this because it aims to make the process of title transfers between owners easier. It'll also make it easier to actually track them because there's going to be on-chain data supporting all of this. Now, Chief Digital Officer of the California DMV, AJ Gupta, said the agency hoped to finalize its shadow ledger. This would fully replicate the state's title database. It expects to do this in the next 3 months with consumer-facing applications following after. This would include digital wallets. Now, this is well underway. It's going to be interesting to see, obviously, when this is concluded. But again, this goes back to, entities are taking this a step further. Like I said, it is not the NFTs that we used to know. This is the reason why you see patents being filed by, different entities specifically for NFTs. They do see the utility there. And again, this will continue to expand, change, and evolve as time continues to move forward. I think this is a fantastic idea. There are some hurdles that they may face, like, for example, if someone actually loses access to their wallet, how do you replicate a non-fungible token? That's one area of my concern, but it'll be interesting to see how these get addressed. But we appreciate you as always. Appreciate you stopping in here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely show your support below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Otherwise, hope you have a wonderful day. We really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.